Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Aswatha Edu Hub. আজি আমাৰ কুইজৰ টপিকটো হৈছে সেল সাইকেল, সেল ডিভিজন আৰু ৰেসপিৰেশন. So let's start.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Ashwatha Edu Hub. We have come up with another section for quiz, and today it's cell division and cell cycle along with respiration. So we have with us our students of Dropper batch. Because Abhijit Bonia was the winner for the last quiz, so they have actually teamed up and make him alone. He is the only contestant in the group, because others rest, there are two in the group. So in the first group we have Sadiq Ahmed and Novankur Pathak. In the second group we have Abhijit Bonia and Abhijit Bonia. And in the third group we have Dhriti Rajbangshi and Pranturita Kashyap. So best wishes to all of you, and now we are going to start our quiz. Gear up, raise your hands, but you have to raise the hand once I complete the question. Otherwise, you will be disqualified like Sadiq and Dhriti. As we have seen in the last quiz, they have been disqualified a lot of times, and that actually helped Abhijit to win. So, let's begin?
Yes, ma'am.
And the one who is doing the videography is Ankur Majumdar from class 12. If a cell has 20 chromosome in its leaf tip, what will be the number of chromosome in the pollen grain of the plant? Abhijit.
20 chromosome in the
Leaf tip. What will be the number of chromosome in the pollen grain of the plant?
20.
Huh?
20.
It's the wrong answer. Now you cannot raise the hand. Nobody had raised the hand earlier. So the answer is 10. Why? Because in the leaf tip, we know that the chromosome number is how much? In the somatic cell, the chromosome number is 20. That is twice n equals to 20. And in pollen grain, which is a gametophyte, the chromosome number is how much? Half. So the answer would have been 10. Okay? So nobody has opened their account yet. Splitting of centromere of chromosome is observed in which phase of mitosis? Yeah, disqualified.
Splitting of
Centromere is observed in which phase of mitosis?
ma'am S phase.
Wrong is the wrong answer. You're already disqualified, Abhijit.
It's anaphase.
It's anaphase of mitosis. There is splitting. So you can take your prize. Abhijit has... Okay, listen to it carefully. The next question is, which is the longest phase of interphase? Dhriti, I suppose.
Longest G1.
G1 is the correct answer. Claps for her. Now we come to the next question. What is the first enzyme of glycolysis? I think we need to take help from which one? Sadiq. Okay, Sadiq will answer.
Hexokinase.
Hexokinase is the first enzyme of glycolysis. So you have to cheer up for yourselves, isn't it? Next question. Name the only enzyme of Krebs cycle which is not present in the matrix but present in the cristae of mitochondria. Both the teams have been disqualified.
Succinic dehydrogenase.
Succinic dehydrogenase is the correct answer. Next question. In which phase of cell cycle DNA becomes double? Sadiq, I suppose.
S phase.
S phase. It is the synthesis phase in which DNA becomes double. Okay. Spindle fibers are made up of what protein? Sadiq. Which one?
Tubulin.
Opposite, huh?
Tubulin.
Tubulin protein. Like that. Now the next question is, name a mitotic poison. Okay, Abhijit.
Matrix poison.
Take the microphone, mic.
Dichlorodiphenyl urea.
Wrong.
Cyclosporin.
Wrong. Okay, now you cannot try. Your chance has been gone. Now the next question is, the disc-like structure present in the centromere of chromosome is called as Pranti, I suppose. I think it's Pranti.
Kinetochore.
It is called as kinetochore. Now the next question is, name the complex 3 in ETS of mitochondria. Shall we have a look at the video? Sadiq? Okay, complex 3.
Cytochrome BC1. Or complex BC1.
Cytochrome B
B-
and
C-
cytochrome C1. Okay, that's the correct answer. Now the next question. In bivalent or tetrads, the number of chromatid is 3T, I suppose.
4.
4. The number of chromatids in bivalent or tetrad is 4. Next question. Listen to it carefully. Synaptonemal complex is dissolved in which phase? It's very difficult for me actually. Shall we have a look? Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so from the video it is seen that it was Sadiq.
Answer is diplotin.
Diplotin is the correct answer. Okay, now the next question is, name the mobile carrier between complex 3 and complex 4 in ETS of mitochondria. Everyone is disqualified. Everyone is disqualified. Okay, you won't get the prize, but any one of you can try.
Cytochrome C.
Cytochrome C.
Cytochrome C is the correct answer. Okay, maybe it was very easy. Okay, next question. An egg or sperm is the product of what kind of cell division? I suppose it is 3T.
Meiosis.
Meiosis is the correct answer because meiosis occurs in germ cells or reproductive cells. Now let us come to the next question. Yeah, we are combining questions. The last question was actually from respiration only. The next question is, crossing over is seen in? It's very difficult, I suppose. Let's have a look. Oh, some.
Pectidin.
Pectidin is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. During phosphorylation, that is ATP synthesis, there is a proton gradient in mitochondria between, you have to name me the structures. Okay, Dhriti.
Proton.
Gradient is between which two?
Ma'am.
Koidya, Pranti, Koidya.
Mitochondrial matrix and the Christie of mitochondria.
No, it's the wrong answer. Sadiq.
Mitochondrial matrix and intermembrane space.
And the intermembrane space of mitochondria. Okay, next question. In oocytes of certain vertebrates, the diplotin stage is prolonged for months to years. Such a diplotin stage is called as, are you trying? Because these two have been disqualified.
I know that.
In oocytes of certain vertebrates, the diplotin stage is prolonged for months to years. Such a diplotin stage is called as? Okay, so we will we are not getting an answer. So viewers, if you want to answer this question, I'm repeating it once again. In oocytes of certain vertebrates, the diplotin stage is prolonged for months to years. Such a diplotin stage is called as what? You have to tell me the exact name. Drop your comments there. Okay, a chromosome in which the centromere is slightly away from the center is called? Disqualified. That is also disqualification. A chromosome in which the centromere is slightly away from the center is called.
Slightly from the center.
You don't have much time. Be quick or we will directly go to our audiences. No? So viewers, if you know the answer, please do drop a comment that if the in a chromosome, if the centromere is slightly away from the center, such a chromosome is called as what? Next question. Name the steps in glycolysis in which ATP is consumed. You have to be very fast.
ATP is consumed.
Mm.
6. Step
Wrong.
6.
Prantirita will get the second chance.
Step 1 and step 3.
Step 1 and step 3 is the correct answer. So you can take the prize. Then the next question is, okay, when pyruvic acid is decarboxylated and dehydrogenated, a 2-carbon compound is formed in the matrix of mitochondria. The compound is, it's very disputed. Let us have a look. Let us have a look in the video.
Acetyl coenzyme.
Acetyl coenzyme is the correct answer. It was actually, it seems like a fraction of second. Both the hands were like very near. With benefits of doubt going to Pranti. Okay. Next question. Synapsis is seen in which phase of meiosis? Okay, it seems everyone is disqualified. Both of them are a team, na? Oh, let us see. It seems that both the teams on left and right have been disqualified, and is only Abhijit is there. So Abhijit, listen to it carefully. Synapsis is seen in which phase of meiosis?
Prophase or zygote.
Okay, it's zygote of prophase 1. So claps for him. Okay, next question. Chiasmata is observed in which stage of prophase 1? Abhijit.
Diplotin.
Diplotin is the correct answer. So can any one of you tell me what is chiasmata?
Accept structure.
It is the X structure present in the chromosome. It forms because of what?
Synapsis.
Dissolution of
Dissolution of synaptonemal complex. Now let us come to the next question. So what's the stage? Okay, everybody is, very neck to neck. Next question is, most of the cell organelles duplicate during which phase? Dhriti. Okay.
Most of the
Cell organelles duplicate in which phase?
G1.
G1 is the correct answer. Now let us come to the next question. If the aspartate malate shuttle operates, what is the total number of ATP produced? Aspartate malate shuttle operates, what is the total number of ATP produced? Okay, it already disqualified.
Total number of ATP. 38.
38 is the correct answer. Next question. Halke huniba. Like more than 95% of the cell cycle consists of which phase? Abhijit. Sailva. 95% of the cell cycle consists of which phase?
I phase. Interphase.
Interphase is the correct answer. Okay, next question. Listen to it very carefully. In which phase, in which phase of mitosis the various shapes of chromosomes can be observed clearly under microscope? Let's have a look. In which phase of mitosis various shapes of chromosomes can be observed clearly under microscope?
Anaphase.
Anaphase is the correct answer. Okay. The next question is, if oxygen is not present, what is the fate of pyruvic acid? Abhijit jen lagise. Kwa? If oxygen is not present, what is the fate of pyruvic acid? Pyruvic acid or ki hobo?
Anaerobic respiration.
Anaerobic respiration. Okay, anaerobic respiration is also called as what?
Fermentation.
It's also called as fermentation. Okay, next question. The breakdown of the nuclear envelope marks the beginning of. It's very difficult.
Most static লাগিছে.
Okay, Sadiq, give the answer.
Metaphase.
Yes, it marks the beginning of metaphase. The next question is, listen to it carefully. ETS operates in which part of mitochondria? Okay, Abhijit. Complete chorus. Mitochondria.
Christie of mitochondria.
Christie of mitochondria. Okay, very easy question. Listen to it. Reductional division is the other name for 3T, I suppose.
Ma'am, meiosis.
The answer is meiosis. Meiosis is also called as reductional division. Okay, the next question is, if the amount of DNA in G1 phase of a cell or a oocyte is 10 picogram, what will be the amount of DNA in the pollen grain? Abhijit. If the amount of DNA in the G1 phase of a oocyte is 10 picogram, what will be the amount in the pollen grain? In the G1 phase, it is 10 picogram. What will be the
5
amount?
picogram.
5 picogram is the correct answer. So it's very near actually. I think this time Pranti and Dhriti should be looking for it because we have very come close to the final prize. Now the next question is, what is the other name for Q naught? So it is seen that it was Dhriti.
Ma'am, quiescent stage.
Quiescent stage is the correct answer. So now actually it is the deciding question. So it should be a bit tough one, I suppose, isn't it? Or it should be easy one. Tough one.
Yes.
Okay. Name the steps. You have to name the exact reactions with the name of the compounds in which ATP is synthesized during glycolysis. You have to name the steps before.
Ma'am, gote kita ko.
Oh,
Okay. First, PGL or para 1,3 bisphosphoglyceric acid.
wrong.
PGAL or pora 1,6 bisphosphoglyceric acid.
Wrong. So I don't think today anybody is winning.
Ma'am, another question.
So another question. Let's put another question. So we come to the final question of today's quiz, and the question is, name the reaction steps of Krebs cycle in which FADH2 is produced. Abhijit. Okay.
Succinic acid to fumarate.
Succinic acid to
Fumarate.
fumaric acid. Okay, that's the correct answer.